on its own. Baby. Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Uncle Keone. This time we've got some eggs. I love eggs, but I have no idea what's inside these eggs. Maybe it's unicorn eggs. Or maybe they're dinosaur eggs. Ooh. Oh, maybe they're eggs from a different planet. So alien eggs. Oh man, I can't wait for these to hatch. Oh, I think I hear them cracking. Let's see what hatches. Oh, look, it's so cute. It just hatched. Goochie, goo. Oh, and another one's hatching. Oh my goodness, look at the little one. He's sticking his tongue out. Oh, and another one's hatching. Oh, look at that one. He looks so happy. Look at how happy he looks. Oh, wait, there's only one more. Come on, little fella. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, all four of them hatched, and look how cute they are. They're my little baby emojis. Oh, goochie, goo. Goochie, goo. Ow. Oh, you bit me. Don't do that. Oh, look at these little emojis, guys. I have a whole army of emojis. Let me introduce you to my emoji family. We've got Frankie. We've got Bob. We have Jerome. And last but not least, Susie. These emojis have the best faces, don't they? They also have a little song. We are an emoji family, yeah. We like to dance and sing with you, please. Woo. Yeah, we are an emoji family, oh. We like to bounce up and down, you can see, woohoo. Well guys, I'm gonna go out and play with my emoji army. Come on guys, let's go. Left, right, left, right, left. Dun. We are doing Emoji Warrior. Yeah! Next person. Here we go. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay, just get up and keep going. Oh no, it's okay, back up. There we go. And there's only a couple more. They made it. We have two more. They're gonna go at the same time. Yay! You guys did it. I'm so proud of all my little emoji babies. Look at you guys go. These things are so much fun to play with. Oops. Susie jumps on herself. We did it! Yay! Welcome to Emoji Warrior. All right, we are here for our second competition, Dancing with Emojis. So we've got our four contestants here. Smiley, laughy emoji, boing, 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 boing. We've got winky face, kissy emoji, mwah, mwah. We've got our other winky cute face emoji, boing, 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 boing. And we have our last beat boy smiley emoji. Here we go. So, this competition is to see who shakes the longest. I'm going to give them a couple taps and see who lasts the longest. Here we go. He's going. Who's going to shake it all the way out? We've lost one contestant. We've lost two contestants. We have a winner. Dun, 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 dun. We have the winner. It's Happy Face Beat Boy Emoji. Look at him go. Woohoo! It's okay, boys. You all gave it your best try, and our winner is right here. He wins a new car! Yay! 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 Well, the time has come. I have to say goodbye to my lovely little emoji family. They're all grown up now, especially this one. Look at him dance. Whoa! Look at him go. Baby. Baby. All right, well, there they go, off into the world. Bye, little emoji family. I still have 2 left. Bye, guys. I'll miss you. Oh. I'll see you guys next episode. Remember, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Tham gia nhiều khóa học thú vị tại Boss Kids Lên nhé!